Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how Salesforce is integrated with Trello so that once we have an opportunity in Salesforce and then we create tasks or call logs for that opportunity, those would be reflected or auto-populated on a number of cards on Trello which might be assigned to the same opportunity. So to start with, I would like to select some of these cards in Trello and assign them to certain opportunities in Salesforce. And here, for example, I have a card. Okay, so this is a card. I'm going to add an opportunity to this one. And let's okay, so here I have Dickinson mobile generators. I've assigned it. So as you can see, it's been assigned to this card. And just to be sure, I'm going to put Dickinson here just to know that which one I wouldn't get confused. So here I have Dickinson. And I close this. So here's a Dickinson, or I can also add some labels just to be sure that we don't lose it among all other ones. Okay, so this is Dickinson with green label, and let me add another one. Let's select this one as well. Okay, I have this one assigned to Burlington, so let's just keep a red label for that, and let me put the name here. Okay. So here I have two, and just let add another two. Okay, I use this for again, this is for Dickinson. Label green. I remove the blue and okay. So here I have two cards with Dickinson on different lists within the same board, and then one for Burlington. So let's go to Salesforce and bring up some of those. So here I have Dickinson, and I open Burlington. And now here I have some tasks related to those. So this is Dickinson mobile, and here I can I have added a link or button sent to Trello. So if I select this, okay, so here's the thing. This platform can be synced with Salesforce every hour. So since I just added two, I need to sync it through this button. So by clicking on this button, Salesforce would be synced to Trello, and this API, custom API, can be synced every hour. So as you saw, I see the two new cards that have been created, and here I can select if I want to populate this on both of them or just on one. So I would select just both of them right now, and I save the message. Okay, so it tells me that I must add comments to that activity. So let's go back. Let's go to Dickinson. Okay, so I click this and edit. So I must add some comments. This is a test for the inside, and I will put the code 1 2 3 4 5 just to know that this is a new test. So I added that, and here I can send it to Trello. I select both, save, and that's it. So now let's take a look at Trello. So on Trello I've just sent it to Dickinson. Let's take a look at here. Here's what I just, and you can see a few seconds ago. This is a test for Dickinson 1 2 3 4 5. A few seconds ago it was updated, and I go to the other one. Again, this is a test for Dickinson 1 2 3 4 5. Now this time I'm going to just post it, or let me create a new one. We go back to I create a new call log here. Let's say this time I want to create a call log. So call just for testing, and I put some comments here. This is my second attempt for testing 1 2 3 4, and 2 stars. Let's see what happens. So I just register this and send to Trello. I come here. So let's say, imagine I want to add a new card. I can simply go there, and I want to also make this. Let's make this one also. This one. I take it here, or it can be same place. I just want to make sure that I don't get confused with all these cards that I have. So I just keep it there. I add the opportunity, and let me just put something here just to make sure. So the only thing I need is just to put this Salesforce opportunity, which is the same record in Salesforce, but I just changing the label, and so put a name here on the top just to so that we don't lose it during our test among, because there are so many cards here, so we don't want to get confused. So now I have 3 cards related to Dickinson, and if I want to, so let's say I've added a 3rd card, but I don't see it here, so I just need to sync it with Trello cards. And while I do this, it through the custom API, it makes a connection to Salesforce to Trello, and then brings in the 3rd one, so I can see the 3. Now I'm going to select, let's say I can select all of them, or just I select, I think this one was the last one. Yeah, it's Houston Cadillac Clover. So let's say this time I just want to post it on this one, not the other 2, right? So I can select to post it to all, or I can just select one of them, or any one. So I just select this one and the one on the top, so the new card and just one of the old ones, Sans Chevrolet, and I'm not going to update the Dutch Miller. So let's save. Okay, and here these 2 should be updated, and Dutch Miller shouldn't be updated. So if I go to Dutch Miller, I see the last update was 4 minutes ago, so this is not new. And if I go to the other 2, okay, this is my 2nd attempt for testing 1 2 3 4 a few seconds ago, and here This is my second attempt for testing 1, 2, 3, 4 a few seconds ago. So as you can see, this way I can update, I can populate the tasks that are related to the opportunities to the records in to the cards in Trello. And it doesn't matter wherever I move this card, it doesn't make any change or difference. And as long as I have that Salesforce opportunity record associated to the card, then those information can be auto-populated here. So I think this should give you a good idea how this customization has been built, and I would be happy to answer any questions in case if you need any help. Good luck.